So yesterday I made this vegan whipped cream from chickpea water. You can see recipe down below. And thankfully I'm still having some leftovers. I haven't eaten all of it yet. I was thinking about useful ways how to use them. And since one of my friends is having her birthday today, I thought about making cake for her. It's going to be super simple recipe, very easy to make, and hopefully it will be delicious as well. Let's give it a try. Start with making a simple pie crust. For the crust you are going to need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of soy milk or water. And also I'm going to use this cooking pan, which is like 25 centimeters diameter. Let's start by mixing together all the dry ingredients first. Now adding vegetable oil and milk. Before placing dough in the pan, you can also spray it with some oil. Oven has to be preheated on 180 degrees Celsius. Bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. So I thought I needed. So the crust has cooled down and we can start to build up our cake. Here again is my whipping cream, and as you can see on the bottom there is like sugary liquid. I think we could separate it and use both of them. We are going to use some fresh fruits and berries, strawberry jam, chickpea whipping cream and sugar syrup from this whipping cream.